Kaganda. Saan ka pa? Saan ka pa? Dito lang yan. Only in Dubai Harbor. Dubai Harbor. You can exercise with view. The best. Good morning. Assalamualaikum. You can exercise with a view. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful to be healthy, guys. It's always good to be healthy. Baka balaglag yung telepono natin. What a view. Ang liit na ng ng tower, ano yun? Burj Khalifa.